daylight time. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Bellevue to near Lake Amonji Carter, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bowie, Sunset, Lake Amonji Carter, Newport, Stoneburg, Fruitland, Park Springs, and Crafton. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.
Yo, bro, what?
Excessive heat warning now in effect until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time Friday. Dangerously hot conditions with temperatures 105 or greater or heat index values up to 115. The areas affected include portions of North and Central Texas. The hazardous weather conditions are expected until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time Friday. Impacts, extreme heat and humidity will significantly increase the potential for heat-related illnesses, particularly for those working or participating in outdoor activities.
I was just in the pot. I was just... Bruh, what the heck? What the heck? I know phone, you're at low battery. I'll plug it in later. Okay. Storms are moving. They're out west. But I don't know what's going on. I'll look at the radar later. But okay. SVR. Keep updated. Bye-bye.